Hi, I'm Miss Wright. I'm a physics teacher here at Knutsford Academy and the Making Learning Stick coordinator. Today, the Year 7s have completed their Study Skills Day. The Study Skills Day is designed to help Year 7s learn how to revise in preparation for the end of year examinations, Monday the 10th of June to Friday the 14th of June. This covered general ideas of what revision is and what revision should look like, and gave students a list of exactly what they need to know for each of their subjects. We also went through how to effectively make and use flashcards and how to make mind maps. Later on in the afternoon, students went through what command words are and how these work inside questions, practicing them in exam settings. During the Study Skills Day, the students were given a revision guide. The revision guide contains everything the students need to know for the end of year examinations, written out as a bullet point list that students can rate their knowledge on, broken down by a topic within the subject. Each subject has some useful revision links at the end, and after all the subjects, there is a list of the command words with their definitions that students should use when they're practicing exam questions. There are also some revision tips and some revision techniques, including the flashcards and mind maps that we went through today, but some other revision techniques as well. At the very end of the revision guide, there is a blank revision timetable so that students can plan out their revision time for a week. This guide is also available online on our website and on the Satchel task, Revise It, End of Year Exams. So if the students have lost it, they can access it electronically as well. As this may be the first time the Year 7s are undertaking end-of-year exams, they might be a little bit stressed or worried. So some ways you can help them prepare. Make sure they have a quiet, tidy, uninterrupted space to revise in. That means no distractions, including no phones and no pets. Make sure they have all the necessary equipment for all of their lessons. For example, a calculator for the required maths or science. Encourage students to study smaller bits but more frequently. If we leave larger chunks of time between revising, we actually forget more. Work within time limits. If they said they're going to revise for 20 minutes, stick to 20 minutes. If they said that this question should take them 5 minutes to do, stick to 5 minutes. And definitely encourage your students to ask us for help in person or via email. We understand that this is a very stressful time for the Year 7s and everyone is here to help. If the students have a subject question, the best person to go to is their classroom teacher, and any pastoral concern should go to their form tutor. That being said, there's quite a few staff around the building that can help with other things. For example, I can help with revision questions. Mr. Millerton and Mrs. Miller-McCready can help as the head of year and assistant head of year. And our wonderful safeguarding team, Mrs. Storrow, Mrs. Jones, Mrs. Murphy and Mr. Lee can definitely help as well.